Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss second mock test of Indian history for CRPT and other competitive exam, also TPSA exam. Uh, Most important suggested 100 mock test paper. Who was the Viceroy of India during formation of Indian National Congress 1885? Lord Dufferin. Lord Dufferin, the Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 when Lord Dufferin was the Viceroy of India 1884 to 1888. Clear, most important. In which year was the Indian National Congress INC founded? 1885. The INC was founded on December 28, 1885 in Mumbai, Tezpur Sanskrit College. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress INC? Founder A.O. Hume, Alan Octavian Hume. A.O. Hume, Eritrea, British civil servant, founded the Indian National Congress to provide a platform for Indian to express their political aspiration. Who was the president of first session of Indian National Congress? First session, W.C. Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Umesh Chandra Banerjee presided over the first session of Indian INC, Indian National Congress, held at Gokuldas Tezpur, Sanskrit College, Mumbai. How many delegates participate in the first session of Indian National Congress? 72. The total of 72 delegates from different part of India attend the first session of Indian National Congress 1885. Where was the first session of Indian National Congress held? Mumbai. The first INC session was held Gokuldas Tezpur Sanskrit College in Mumbai. The Third Anglo-Burma War was fought during whose Viceroy? Lord Dufferin. The Third Anglo-Burma War, 1885 to 1886, occurred during Lord Dufferin tenure as Viceroy. What was the outcome of Third Anglo-Burma War? Third Anglo-Burma War, annexation of Upper Burma. As a result of the war, Upper Burma was annexed. The Burma became a part of British India. Who among the following organized the All India National Conference in December 1883? 1883, Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohon Bose. Explain the All National Conference was organized by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohon Bose 1883 as recorded in INC. What did the Indian Associate call for 1885 after the 1883 conference? A second All Indian National Conference. The Indian Association gave a call for another All Indian National Conference in 1885, which coined with the founding of the INC. Where was the second session of Indian National Congress held in 1886? Calcutta. The second session of INC was held in Calcutta, December 1886. Who presided over the second session of Indian National Congress 1886? Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji presided over the second session in INC held in Calcutta. The period from 1885 to 1905 is the Indian National Congress known as the era of moderate. From 1885 to 1905 is INC was dominated by the moderate leader who delivered in constitutional method and gradually reform. Who among the following was not a prominent leader of the moderate pace? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Tilak was associated with the extremist pace, not to moderate pace, 1885-1905. Dadabhai Naoroji is famously known as Grand Old Man of India. Grand old man of India. Dadabhai Naoroji is known as the Grand Old Man of India for his long political career and role in the early freedom movement. Who said, word, we do not ask favor, we only want justice. Justice, Dadabhai Naoroji. This famous quote reflect Naoroji moderate ideology advocating for justice through constitutional means. What is the name of book written by Dadabhai Naoroji that introduced the drain theory? Poverty and un-British rule in India. Poverty and un-British rule in India. This book by Dadabhai Naoroji explained how British economic policies drain India, well known as the drain theory, which economic concept in most closely associated with Dadabhai Naoroji. Drain theory. Naoroji drain theory argued that Britain was exploiting India economically by transferring India wealth to Britain without adequate return. Who among the following was not a moderate leader? Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was part of the extremist to Lal Balpal, active after the moderate phase. Which of the following best describe the strategy of the moderate leader? Petition and constitutional reform. Moderate uh, belief is peaceful method including petition, speech and appeal to British to bring reform. Who is known as the father of Indian economic and politics? Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji is known as the father and Indian economic and politics for his uh, pioneering work in political and economic analysis of British rule. What organization did Dadabhai Naoroji found in 1852? Gyan Prakash Mandali. Gyan Prakash Mandali, Dadabhai Naoroji founded the Gyan Prakash Mandali 1852, aimed at spreading knowledge and awareness. Which of the following organization was also established in 1852 by Dadabhai Naoroji? Bombay Association. Dadabhai Naoroji was a founding member of the Mumbai Association, one of the earliest political association in India. Who was the first Muslim president of India National Congress? Muslim president Badruddin Tayebji. Badruddin Tayebji was the first Muslim president of INC, presiding over the Madras session in 1887. Badruddin Tayebji was the first Indian barrister at which court? Mumbai High Court. He was the first Indian barrister at the Mumbai High Court, breaking significant barriers in legal profession. Who founded the newspaper Mumbai Chronic in 1813. Firuz Shah Mehta. Firuz Shah Mehta. Firuz Shah Mehta. Firuz Shah Mehta founded the Bombay Chronic to promote national view and awareness. Who founded the Indian Association in 1876? Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee founded the Indian Association to involve India political activism. Who was the first president of Indian National Liberation Federation 1918? Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee was the first president of the Indian National Liberal Federation, which and to represent the moderate viewpoint post 1918. In which year did Gopal Krishna Gokhale found Servant of Indian Society? 1905. Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded the Servant of Indian Society in 1905 to train India for national service and education. What was the main object of the Servant of Indian Society founded by Gokhale? Social reform and national service. social reform and national service. The Servant of Indian Association aimed to promote social reform, education, and national service through dedicated public worker, who was the first foreigner to become the president of Indian National Congress (INC). George Yali. George Yali, a British businessman, became the first foreign to preside the INC session 1888 at Allahabad. In which year did George Yali preside over the INC session? 1888. George Yali was elected as the INC president during the fourth session held in Allahabad 1888. Who is the popularly known as the Socrates of Maharashtra? Socrates of Maharashtra, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was known for his wisdom and moral integrity, earning him to the title Socrates of Maharashtra, who was the political guru of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Mahadev Govind Ranade, M.G. Ranade, a social reformer and judge, was the mentor of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, shaping his moderate view. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is regarded as the political mentor to Mahatma Gandhi, influencing his early ideology. Who was the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu became the first Indian woman president in INC at the Kanpur session 1925. At which session was the term Swaraj first used by the Indian National Congress? Congress Calcutta session 1906. The demand for Swaraj of self-rule was first officially made in 1906 Calcutta session under Dadabhai Naoroji presidency. Who was the president of Calcutta session in 1906 where Swaraj was demanded? Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji presided over the Calcutta session in 1906 where Swaraj was declared as the goal of the INC. When was the partition of Bengal implemented by Lord Curzon? 1905. Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal on October 16, 1905 to weaken nationalist sentiment by dividing Hindu and Muslim. What new province was created after the partition of Bengal in 1905? East Bengal and Assam. The partition of Bengal resulted in the creation of East Bengal and Assam, sparking widespread protests and the Swadeshi movement. The Swadeshi movement began as a reaction to which major colonial policy? Partition of Bengal. The Swadeshi movement was launched in 1905 as a response to Lord Curzon partition of Bengal, which aimed to divide a region along communal lines. Which leaders were most prominently associated with the Swadeshi movement? Swadeshi movement, Lal Bal Pal and Aurobindo Ghosh. The Swadeshi movement was led by Lal Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and Aurobindo Ghosh, who were known their assertive nationalism. The All Indian Muslim League was established in 1906. Which city, Deccan? The All Indian Muslim League was founded in December 1906 at Dhaka, now Dhaka, Bangladesh, to represent Muslim political interests. Who among the following was not one of the founder of All Indian Muslim League? Maulana Azad. Maulana Azad was not involved in a formation of the Muslim League. The founder of Aga Khan and Nawab Salimullah and Nawab Salimullah. Aga Khan and Nawab Salimullah. What was the major political declaration made the 1906 Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress? Adoption of Swaraj as the goal. At the 1906 Calcutta session, Dadabhai Naoroji declared that the goal of the INC was Swaraj for self-government. Who presided over the 1906 Calcutta session of INC, Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji, also known as the Grand Old Man of India, was the president of INC Calcutta session 1906, where is declared Swaraj as the objective. Hoisier witnessed the split of Indian National Congress into moderate and extremists. 1907. The Swaraj split occurred in 1907, dividing the Congress into moderate extremists over ideological and strategy different. The Swaraj split 1907 was caused by difference between which two groups, moderate and extremists. The Swaraj split 1907 saw the division of the INC into moderate led by Gopal Krishna Gokhale and extremists led by Tilak Lal Pal, who was not a leader of extremist fashion during the Surat split. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the moderate leader, which Tilak, Laspodai, Pal were part of the extremist camp. What was the main ideology difference between the moderate and extremist during the early Congress? Yeah, constitutional reform based direct action. Moderate wanted constitutional and peaceful reform, while extremists uh, believe in direct and assertive method and attain Swaraj. The Alipur boom case 1908 was associated with the attempt to assassinate which British officer, D.S. Kingford. The Alipur boom case involved a failed attempt to assassinate Chief Presidency Magistrate D.S. Kingford of Muzaffarpur, who among the following was asserted the trial in the Alipur boom case. Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh was asserted the trial in Alipur boom case, but was later acquitted. His brother Barindra Ghosh was also involved. What was the main objective of the revolutionary in the Alipur boom case? Kill British judge. Kill a British judge. A revolutionary aimed to assassinate D.S. Kingford, see as the hard magistrate toward nationalists. The Parliamentary Reform 1909 are also known as the Indian Council Act 1909, the Indian Council of 1909, the Indian Council Act 1909. The Parliamentary Reform are officially called the Indian Council Act 1909, which expanded legislative council and introduced aspirant electorate. What was the most controversial provision of the Parliamentary Reform? Provision of separate electoral for Muslim. The 1909 reform introduced separate electoral for Muslim, which was widely citizen for dividing Indian on religious line. Who was the Secretary of State for Indian when the Parliamentary reform were passed? John Morley. John Morley was the Secretary of the State for India and Lord Minto was the Viceroy during the pass of the 1909 reform. Who was the Viceroy of India from 1910 to 1916? Lord Hardinge. Lord Hardinge served as Viceroy of India from 1910 to 1916, overseeing several significant events including the Delhi Darbar. Which major event took place during the Delhi Darbar 1911. Transfer of capital from Calcutta to Delhi. In the Delhi Darbar of 1911, it was announced that the capital of British India would shift from Kolkata to Delhi. What was the significance of announcement made at 1911 Delhi Darbar regarding Bengal? Partition of Bengal was annullated. During the Delhi Darbar of 1911, it was declared that the partition of Bengal was cancelled due to strong nationalist opposition. What cancellation of partition of Bengal 1911 was seen as victory for the Swadeshi movement and Indian nationalists. The cancellation of Bengal partition was viewed as a victory for the Swadeshi movement and Indian national effort. The Delhi Conference case 1912 was an attempt to assassinate which British official Lord Hardinge. On 23rd December 1912, Mumbai was thrown at Lord Hardinge, the Viceroy of India, during his procession in Delhi, who is delivered the head mastermind the Delhi Conference case 1912, Raj Bihari Bose. Truth, was never proven. Raj Bihari Bose is believed to have hatched the Delhi Conference against the British. What was the outcome of bomb attack on Lord Hardinge 1912? The Mahabod was killed and Lord Hardinge was injured. The Hardinge survived the attack, but his elephant deliverer Mahabod was killed. Where was the headquarters of Ghadar Party located? San Francisco. The Ghadar Party was the Indian revolutionary organization founded in 1913 with a headquarters in San Francisco, USA. Who among the following was not a founder of the Ghadar Party? Ghadar Party, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Ghadar Party was founded by Lala Hardayal, Tarakanath Das, and Sohan Singh Bakna. Tilak was not involved in its formation. What was the main aim Ghadar Party? Ghadar Party overthrew British rule, truce aim revolutionary. The Ghadar Party aimed to uh, incite armed revolutionary in India against British colonial rule. In which year Bal Gangadhar Tilak launched the Indian Home Rule League 1916. Tilak launched the Indian Home Rule League on 28 April 1916 at Pune after rejoining the INC in 1915. Where was the Home Rule League founded by Tilak established? Pune. The Indian Home Rule League founded BG Bal Gangadhar Tilak was established in Pune 1916. What was the key demand of Home Rule movement? Dominance status for India. The Home Rule movement demanded self-government Swaraj or dominant status for India within British Empire. Which leader founded another branch of Home Rule League in 1916 beside Tilak? Tilak Annie Besant. Annie Besant founded a separate Home Rule League in Madras in 1916, parallel of Tilak League. Thus succeeded Lord Hardinge as the Viceroy of India in 1916. Lord Chelmsford became the Viceroy of India on April 4, 1960, succeeding Lord Hardinge. The Lucknow Pact of 1916 was signed between which two political groups, Indian National Congress and Muslim League. The Lucknow Pact 1916 was a history agreement between the Congress and Muslim League promoting Hindu-Muslim unity. The represent the Indian National Congress in Lucknow Pact 1916. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Annie Besant play crucial role in forming the Lucknow Pact at behalf of the Congress. What was the main significance of Lucknow Pact? Unity between Hindu and Muslim community. The Lucknow Pact marked the first real political unity between Hindu and Muslim in the freedom struggle, which declaration first prominent self-government to India by British. Montagu Declaration. The Montagu Declaration 1917 promised gradually development of self-government institution in India. The Montagu Declaration, also known as which of the following? August Declaration. The Montagu Declaration issue is August 1917 is also called the August Declaration, laying the groundwork of constitutional reform. The Champaran Satyagraha 1917 was related to which issue? Indigo cultivation. The Champaran Bihar farmer were forced to grow indigo under oppressive condition, leading to Gandhiji first Satyagraha. Which event marked Mahatma Gandhi first Satyagraha movement in India? Champaran Satyagraha. The Champaran Satyagraha 1917 was Gandhi first experiment with Satyagraha in India focused on helping indigo farmer. What triggered the Kheda Satyagraha in 1918? Plague and cholera epidemic with tax collection despite poor harvest. In Kheda, Gujarat, as epidemic and crop failure led to protests when British authority inside on tax collection. Who led the Kheda Satyagraha of 1918? Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi led the Kheda Satyagraha along with Sardar Patel, demanding tax relief for the farmer. What was the purpose of Rowlatt Act 1919? To suppress revolutionary activities. The Rowlatt Act gave the government power to arrest and detain people without trial, aiming to crush revolutionary activities. Which right were curtailed by Rowlatt Act? Right to legal representation and trial. The Rowlatt Act allow detaining without trial and curbed civil liberty like legal defense and habeas corpus. When was Rowlatt Act passed? March 1919. The Rowlatt Act was passed in March 1919, provoking widespread anger and leading to protests across India. Why were people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh on 13 April 1919 to celebrate Boishaki and protect the arrest of leader? People had gathered peacefully at Jallianwala Bagh on Boishaki to protect the arrest of Dr. Khislu and Dr. Satyapal, who ordered the firing at Jallianwala Bagh on 13 April 1919. General Reginald Dyer. General Dyer ordered the troop of fire on the unarmed crowd without warning Jallianwala Bagh. In which city did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Amritsar. Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in Amritsar, Punjab, April 13, 1999. Which Indian leader returned in knighthood in protect of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood in protect against the brutality of Jallianwala Bagh. Who were Dr. Khislu and Dr. Satyapal, revolutionary leader arrested in Amritsar? What immediate effect did the Jallianwala measures have on Indian politics to let the widespread anger and non-cooperation movement? The measures intensive national outrage and inspired Gandhi non-cooperation movement 1920-22. What was the reaction of British government to the measures? They was forced to resign and censured by the Hunter Commission. The Hunter Commission condemned generally there by he was not punished, he was relieved of duty. What was the main reason behind the Khilafat movement in India? Harsh Treaty of Cyprus of Turkey. Who were the main leader of the Khilafat movement? Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. The Ali brother Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali led the Khilafat movement to protect the Khalifa of Turkey. The Khilafat movement was supported by West Indian leader Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji supported the Khilafat movement to until Hindu-Muslim in the struggle for independence. One was the non-cooperation movement known by Gandhiji 1920. The non-cooperation movement began in 1920 following Gandhiji call for peaceful resistance of British rule. Which of the following was not part of the non-cooperation movement? Armed rebellion against British. Why did Gandhiji call off a non-cooperation movement 1922? Violence in Churi Chura incident. Gandhiji called off the movement after protest burn of police station Churi Chura, killing 22 policemen. Where did Churi Chura incident take place? Gorakhpur, Gorakhpur. The Churi Chura incident happened in Gorakhpur district, Uttar Pradesh, on 5 February 1922. How many police were killed in Churi Chura incident? 22. The mob burned down the police station, resulting death 22 police. Who founded the Swaraj Party in 1923? C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. The Swaraj Party was formed by Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru to enter legislative council and obstruct colonial government from within. The Swaraj Party was formed as a result of different over which event Gyan Gaya Congress session at the Gaya session of Congress in 1922. Chairdas and Motilal Nehru proposed new strategy leading to the formation of Swaraj Party. Thank you. Most important, practice repeatedly will get the suggested position in your exam. Thank you.